Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samiullah. You're watching my YouTube channel. Most welcome in second lesson of Urdu Speaking course from beginning to advanced. And I have uploaded first lesson. This is the second lesson. And if you remember, if you have watched the first lesson, we covered very basic pronouns and we use these pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it. These all are pronouns. We learned their equivalents in Urdu and use in present to be tense, past to be tense, and future to be tense. And if you remember, I gave you the definition that to be tenses talk about either identity of a person or presence. Identity means I'm a doctor, it's my identity. They are in Pakistan, we are at college, it's our presence. So we covered the first part, identity, but left the second part for another lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to cover the second, inshallah. Let me print the text here. So we are talking about presence. To show presence in English, we use prepositions. Three main common prepositions are in, at, on. In means may, at means per, on means pay. These three are equivalents in Urdu of these three prepositions. I have given you multiple examples. Just like look at the 6 persons here. They are at college. We are at home. She is in the kitchen. Ali is in Islamabad. The keys are on the table. The car is in the garage. Let's convert this now. Let the first one. They are at college. If you have watched the first video, you will remember that I gave you the hint, always keep the subject first. Subject is always that person about whom we talk. So here they are at college means we are talking about them. So keep it first. They means wo. Now reverse the sentence. College means college. At means पर, are means है. वो college पर है. Let's do the second one. We are at home. We means हम. Remember? Home means अच्छा. Keep the we first, then reverse sentence. Home means घर. At means पर, are means है. Let's convert the third one. She is in the kitchen. She is the kitchen. She means वो. Now remember, he, she, it. These three pronouns have two equivalents, ye and wo. Ye when near, wo when at the distance or absence. And absolutely when someone is asking where is she and you are replying that she is in the kitchen, so it means she is not just like beside you, standing beside you. So wo, kitchen means kitchen. By the way, in Urdu, kitchen means bawarchi khana. So वो बावर्ची खाने. In means में, is means है. वो बावर्ची खाने में है. ठीक है. Let me clear one thing. You might notice that I kept the she first, then reverse the sentence. While reversing, I kept the kitchen, same kitchen. Then moving in reverse, moving ahead, there's a word the. Remember, keep in mind that in Urdu, the word the does not have any equivalent. Whenever you see it, just leave it. Okay? Doesn't matter the word the is at the beginning of the sentence, middle or end. Just remove it. So wo bawarchi khane, in means mein, is means hai. Let's do the fourth one. Ali is in Islamabad. Ali is a subject. Keep Ali first. Ali. Reverse the sentence. Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Islamabad in means may, is means hai. Ali Islamabad mein hai. The keys are on the table. Now remove the word the. We are talking about keys. So keys are the subject here. Single key in Urdu is chabi. Multiple chabiyan. So chabiyan. Reverse the sentence. Table. Remove the word the. On means pay. Are means hai. Chabiya table pe hai. Let's convert the sixth one. The car is in the garage. Car means car. By the way, car in Urdu means gadi. Garage means garage. In means may, is means hai. Gadi garage mein hai. And all these sentences are in present tense. It means they are at college means right now they are at college. We are at home means right now we are at home. I can also say they were at college in past. We were at home. She was in the kitchen. Ali was in Islamabad. Ali was in Islamabad. So now let's see if we change the time, how we're going to tackle the sentence. Let me paste it here. Change the past to be tense. So they were, we were, she was, and Ali was, the keys were, the car was. Always keep in mind one thing. Whenever the sentence and the structure is same, you're only changing the time. Sentence same, you're only changing time from present to past. Look at the present section. They are at college. Right now they are at college. Look at the past. They were at college. Everything is same. Only you're changing time. So whenever you're changing time, like I change only helping verb from are to were, in English we will do same in Urdu. So if you remember, we have two equivalents of the word were, the and the. I'm again warning you. If you have not watched the very first lesson, probably you will not understand. You will miss many things in this lesson. So first watch the first lesson, because these all things just like equivalents of were, what is are, is mr, was, were, will be, their equivalents in Urdu. So we have covered all this. That's the basic. We have covered this in first lesson, and this is the continuity of that lesson. They were at college. Suppose here they is pointing to few men. So when the word per is used for multiple men, we use the. So for college, per simply the. This become your past. You're talking about your past. We were at home. Suppose here, just like a few girls or few women are saying, "Hum ghar par." Okay. What if the word we is pointing to a group where few girls and few boys are, means combined, masculine and feminine, both gender are present. So whenever there's any single male present in any group, it will be taken as a masculine. There's one boy, 3 girls, 4 girls, 5 girls, it will be taken as a masculine. So same, hum ghar par thi not the. ठीक है, let's convert it. वो किचन या बावर्ची खाने में थी और सिंगल घर. Ali was Islamabad. Ali Islamabad में for single male was is equivalent to था. The keys were on the table. चाबियां टेबल पे. अच्छा. Like humans, non-living things have also gender. Keys are taken as feminine. So keys are taken in feminine. We are talking about multiple keys, means multiple feminine. So चाबियां टेबल पे थी for multiple feminine. Then, or 1 minute, let me. ठीक है. The car was in the garage. So car is taken as feminine. We will learning it throughout our course. You will get the idea which thing is taken as feminine, masculine, inshallah. The car was in the garage. Car, गाड़ी, garage में है नहीं थी. You're talking about his past. ठीक है. I hope it's clear. Anything which is bothering you is not clear, comment section is always open for you. Comment your queries there. I will answer you as soon as possible, inshallah. Okay. Let's do it in future now. I'm going to erase this section. Okay, no, I'm going to not erase this one, but let me change it from past to future. If I'm talking about they, so for future, will be at college, we will be at home, she will be in the kitchen, Ali will be in Islamabad, the keys will be on the table, and last one, the car will be in the garage. Again, in future helping verb in English is only will be. Like in past we have was, were, present is mr, but in future we have single will be. But in Urdu we have 6 equivalents of the word will be. If I is used in the sentence, just like a boy itself is saying I will be there. So if I is used for the male, then honga, for a female hongi, and for a single male hoga, single female hogi, multiple masculine honge, multiple feminine hongi. Okay, just like from you who have watched the first video must know this one. So they will be at college, वो college पर multiple men. Okay. We will be at home, for suppose for feminine. So हम घर पर होंगी for women, multiple women, and हम घर पर होंगे. You can say this one for men and even group combined for men and women. She will be in the kitchen. So वो kitchen में होगी. Ali will be in Islamabad. Ali Islamabad में होगा for single male. The keys will be on the table. Look, here subject is key, and key is taken as feminine. We are talking about multiple keys, so multiple feminine. And for multiple feminine future, same word we have होंगी. चाबियां टेबल पे होंगी. The car will be in the garage. Car is taken as feminine. We are talking about single car, so होगी for single feminine future. This was second part of first lesson. We covered in this second lesson. Inshallah, in third lesson we will learning another main topic. So if you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section. ठीक है? And if again, and yes, one important thing. Whatever we learned in this lesson, I am leaving a homework comprised of 5 to 6 to 7 questions. Okay, related to this lesson. I will leave it in description. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next lesson.